Hello everyone, this is Chithra from Srinivas Institute of Technology, Valachil, Mangalore, uh, studying in computer science and engineering. My startup company is Etherworks. Product present name is ID card. Product proposed name is Secure Card. Mentioned in the sum of the requirements and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. Digital ID cards, NFC in ID card. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feeling and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name is ID card. Futuristic product name is Secure Card. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Barcode for encoding the data, GPS tracker, sensor, extra coverage, lock for safety. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured due to time constraint. The mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.